Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how Cortex helps teams automate production or seasonal readiness, so your software is always secure, reliable, and compliant. One scenario I hear constantly, especially from teams in retail, fintech, or any business with a peak season, is how do we know we're actually ready? Whether it's Black Friday or any high traffic period, leadership wants to know if systems can handle the load, and most teams can't answer that with confidence. Traditionally, these readiness reviews are manual and time-consuming, but Cortex turns this into a continuous and automated process. This is a production readiness scorecard. You define exactly what ready means for your organization. Runbooks in place, load testing completed, on-call rotation set up, dependencies documented, alerting configured, and Cortex automatically evaluates every service against it in real time. Right here, you can see your entire service portfolio and exactly which ones are production ready and which ones aren't. No more asking teams to self-report, no more hoping the checklist got filled out. You have a clear and up-to-date report. You can also leverage Cortex workflows to automate deployments and enforce deployment gates based on production readiness scores. This bird's eye report means engineering leaders can have a very specific conversation. These 12 services need runbooks. These 5 need on-call coverage updated. Here's who's responsible for these things. You can go from an unknown to a clear action plan. And you can wrap all of that into an initiative, a time-bound org-wide push to get 100% production ready before a deadline. Progress is tracked automatically, and owners are notified of outstanding action items. No more status meetings required. Our customers like H&R Block use Cortex for readiness during tax season. Validating security, code coverage, resilience, and best practices are met on time. Our automated scorecards replaced manual work for 6 of their program managers, and they reduced MTTR by 75%. The reality is most engineering organizations are still operating reactively, especially when it comes to peak periods. Traffic spikes hit, systems strain, and teams scramble to keep everything running, only to face the same bottlenecks and failures season after season. This is an operations problem. As an engineering operations platform, Cortex transforms production readiness from a static, reactive process to a continuous automated system, giving teams real-time insights and proactive alerts. If you'd like to dive deeper, please reach out to us. Let's explore how Cortex can help your teams maintain production readiness at scale.